So in this video for C++, we will be doing for loops. Now, a for loop is a loop. So it's basically a program that goes around X amount of times that you want it to. So to make a for loop, we use the for keyword, then we type in int to declare a type. So a for loop takes in 3 sets of arguments. So we have our integer, we can set it to any number. Usually we just start from 0. And then we make I is either smaller than or bigger than a specific number. So let's just make smaller than 10. And then we do I plus plus. So that means that every time I is not bigger than 10, it will just add 1 to I at the end of the loop. So if we type in count to, and then we do our little I, so this will display what the I is, and let's just end line the end. So if we press F5 now, it will loop. And thank you, Avast, for allowing me to run the application. So there you go. We looped 10 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And to make it less confusing, just do that. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Why would you? For some reason, Avast hates C++, and I don't know why. Yep, go away. But yeah, so that's for loops in a gist. So what can these be used for? There's a lot of uses for loops. Like if you want to cycle through something, find out what something is, you would use a for loop. Like let's just say a program that needs to, oh, there's a little trick. So if you want to make a for loop, type in for. We're using Visual Studio, you press tab twice. So int I, and then let's just say we have a program where, so we need to print pages of paper. So int pages to print, and then what would of course happen is we would, well, this is what basically a printer would do. So slap it in, and it will print it. Of course, we want 100 pages, so then it will do something like this. So we would have the count, and then we would have page printed, and then page number, and we're just going to do I plus 1 because page 0 is not an actual page. And then end line, and we press F5, and there you go, we've printed 100 pages. So yeah, that's one of the uses. There's far more uses for loops, but I haven't explained any other bit, so I don't want to go too deep into this just yet.